How to signal for help when your phone's dead, your flare gun's a rock, and all you can see is sky. You're lost, miles from anywhere. The phone's a brick, the radio is static, and the horizon is laughing at you. This is the part where you give up, or you remember some basic physics. Time to make a signal mirror. First, you need something that reflects. An old CD, a scrap of polished metal from a tin can, or even the dead screen of your smartphone. Next, a stick and some string or a thin piece of plastic you find lying around. Your goal is to make a sight hole. Use a sharp rock to carefully poke a small hole in the center of your reflective surface. Tie the string to the stick, then tape the other end to the back of the mirror. Hold the stick up to your eye, line up the sight hole, and use it to aim the reflection of the sun at whatever you want to get the attention of. A small, dark speck on the horizon? Aim for it. Flash, flash, flash. If you're lucky, it's not a hallucination and they've seen you. The helicopter is coming. You survived with a mirror and some scraps. Your rescue is on the way. Just hope they have better taste in music than you. Want more ways to not die in the wild? Share and subscribe for the next episode, and maybe we'll get you a GPS.